friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. I just got back from running some errands and I was able to stop at one of my favorite thrift stores. I picked up a few things. This is a very eclectic haul, guys. So just keep that in mind. You can consider this a preview for tomorrow's sale. It is at noon Eastern, 11 Central, 9 a.m. Pacific time on my channel. Sabrina and I will have a special guest, designated crafter, aka Empty Chalice, aka Teresa. It is her first live sale. So I hope you guys can come in and just show her some love. Never any pressure to purchase anything, but I'm excited to see what she brings tomorrow. I'm really excited, actually. Okay, guys, so without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you some items that I picked up. I did get some jewelry in that I didn't pick up at the thrift shop. I did go to one estate sale, and guys, it was the most unfulfilling estate sale I think I've ever been to. I walked away with one item. That item is damaged, but I think you guys will love it regardless. But everything else there wasn't much that I could do anything with as far as reselling. And the items that I could were just so highly priced. I was shocked. Like a little 4-inch piece of glass that doesn't have much value. They wanted $8 for. Not even 4. It might have been 3 inches. I don't know. It was teeny tiny. And yeah, so I only got one thing. Okay. I do want to mention I will be invoicing on Sunday for this week. That started with my jewelry sale on Monday. The Wednesday sale with Sabrina. And, the Tuesday night sale. How could I forget that? So it will include, 4 sales. And for the time being, that's probably going to be my designated invoicing day. I will keep you guys posted. You know, it depends. If there's pop-ups or things going on, that may not be the case. But I like to save you guys on shipping as much as I can. Okay, without any further ado, I'm going to show you some items I picked up. I'm telling you, this is very eclectic. I do have a plush that was too big to fit in here that I'll show you in just a minute. Look at her. So you guys seem to be enjoying plush lately, so I've just kind of been on the lookout. If it's in good condition and it's something that I think you guys might want, I do go ahead and grab it. This is from the Disney store. I think it is vintage. It's Lady. Now, I searched everywhere for the Tramp in their stuffy or plushy area, and I couldn't find him. So Lady is all by herself. I think she's precious. She's in great condition, and yeah, she makes me happy. And back here, look at this boba tea. This is Pusheen. If you're not familiar with Pusheen, you need to be. I don't know how old this is. Does it have a date? I don't see a date. 2022. So it is a newer piece. I just thought it was so cute. I haven't looked any of these up, so I don't know any values. This giraffe, now he is not Thai, but he looks like it, and he is so cute. So I went ahead and got him. I know a lot of us love our animals, and I don't find giraffes very often, so he is BMI. Not even sure what that is, but I freaking love him. He's so cute. And then over here, I got this fairy. I don't know if she's a fairy godmother or exactly what she is, but she has a star. She's got a little crown on. Her face, I think it's probably some sort of resin. I'm not 100% sure. So her skirt, her little tutu here is so soft. It almost feels like fur, but it's not. It says it's polyester on the back. And look at her long legs. Look at her little shoes. She is absolutely precious. I love her hair. I love everything about her. She's so cute. She does have a little bit, now I've gotten this better. I'm going to keep working on this. But there was like a Sharpie. I think it's a Sharpie from being at the thrift store. Like somebody probably accidentally dinged her with a Sharpie, but I've gotten some of it out. So hopefully I'll be able to get all of it out. Just to let you know. Then let me start with some other items. Guys, this is so pretty. This vase planter, whatever you want to call it, is an Italian piece. It is marked Italy on the bottom. I think it's stunning. It does have a couple of condition issues that, yeah, I knew about it at the store. One is there's a little bit of an interior crack here and a little bit on the outside. I think I can ship it safely though. It did hold water. And then there's a little ding right there that if it bothered you, you could always paint the gold over that. But it's gorgeous. I'm not going to take it out of here. It does have a different floral design on the other side. I just thought it was stunning. Let me see if I can move her to show you some more of the beauty of this piece. It is really, really pretty. Next to it is something that I got for myself. So gosh, you may remember this if you're an OG, but a while back I picked up one of these pieces, and the piece I picked up is like a divided dish that sits on a metal caddy. So I was shocked when I saw this at the thrift store. It is this glass piece. It is a Greek design. You've got horses, which I love, chariots. Yeah, I just had to get this. I think most of you know by now I do collect Greco-Roman items, and I love this. I think it's so, so cool. Over here, I got this little Ellie Smith toothpick or candle holder. It's probably for toothpicks. Daisy and button, the little feet. I do not have my black light down here, so I don't know if it glows. It could glow if it's an older piece. Not quite sure. This one I do have to research. This one also has a little ding there, and I bought it knowing that because look at this. So it is signed by the artist, and it's got these birds. And it looks like it says Carlotta on the bottom. So I'm going to have to research this. I think it's amazing. I love it. And that little ding doesn't bother me, so I figured if no one else is interested in it, you know, I can add it to my pottery collection. I just thought it was really, really cool. I got this little ring holder. I don't know where it's from. It's not like Dollar Tree. It probably is some other, you know, mass-produced piece, but I thought it was really cute. It's a ring holder or jewelry tray, and it has hearts on it. That's why I had to get it, because of Valentine's Day. These two gorgeous glasses back here are from Neiman Marcus. They are butterflies, and they're wonderful. This beautiful frosted glass, and they're etched so beautifully. These are vintage. I want to say they were from the 70s when I looked them up. I could just tell at the store that they were really nice, so I had to get them. Back here, I had to get this shell bunny. I mean, it's about to be Easter. So sorry about that, guys. Dropped my phone. He is super cute. He's in good condition. Sometimes these little shell creatures are not, but he is. And is he not precious? I loved him. You know, we got Easter coming up. Speaking of Easter, I did pick this up. I don't know if it's vintage or not, but it has the pretty bunny in French here. And it's got this adorable design. It's also on the top of the jar. There's no damage on it. I want to say, yeah, it's made in China. I think it is vintage, and I just thought it was precious. I thought somebody might want that for Easter. Oh, what else did I get? Okay, so this is the piece I got at the estate sale. This is the San Francisco Music Box Company. I don't remember what the song is. And it is this beautiful, stunning jewelry box. It also opens here, or music box, I'm sorry. I can't talk today, apparently. I think it's beautiful. I love it. It's gorgeous. And, you know, if it bothered you, you could get someone to solder this back on there. But, yeah, it is no longer together. It seems to happen a lot with these vintage jewelry boxes. But look at the cameo of the two sisters there. Or is it mother and daughter? I'm not sure, but it's beautiful. Then this. So I thought this was really cool. So this is It can be one of two things. You can use it as a trivet, or you can use it as a candle holder. And I just thought it was fantastic with all these hearts on it. I know we're getting so close to Valentine's Day. But if you do purchase this at the sale tomorrow, you know, it will definitely get to you in time. It's a really thick glass. It reminds me of recycled glass. I need to do a little bit more research on it to find out exactly. Then I got another beaded purse. Can't seem to stay away from them lately. This one is primarily blue and gold, well, and red. It's really pretty. I like the strap on it too. It's got a nice long strap. And yeah, it's just beautiful. Then underneath, lady, is this Mexican Talavera bowl. It's really pretty. I like the colors. It's almost like a dark maroon color. It's in great condition. So I thought there might be somebody out there that likes that. I think it would be really great to put crystals in or any rocks that you might have. Okay, is that it for everything that's not jewelry? I think it is. Oh, I didn't show you guys Mickey. I'd never seen this before. Let me zoom out for a second here. This is Vampire Mickey. So it is a Disney release that came out during Halloween a few years ago. And he's in wonderful condition. He's even got a cape on. Like, yeah, I mean, I just had to. I'd never seen that before. Okay, let me show you the jewelry. I'm going to try to go kind of fast here. This I need to look at a little bit closer. I think that might be Larimar or Aventurine. It's a really pretty natural stone necklace, and it has these beautiful bluish stones. Then this is turquoise, and this, it could be two things, y'all. This could be a choker. It's 3-layer, or I think it has to be a choker. I was wondering if it could be an anklet, but I think it's too long to be an anklet now that I'm looking at it. I haven't measured it, but I thought it was pretty. It's one of these floating necklaces, which I really like. It's really pretty. Really nice. I love that too. Then this is beautiful. This is all mother of pearl. You have these larger pieces of it with little spacer beads of mother of pearl, and this one is on a spring ring clasp. I thought that was pretty. And this one, I love this mother of pearl pendant. Is that not beautiful? Here's the back of it. I don't know for sure what these are. They kind of feel like wood. I think they are wood, actually. But yeah, I thought that was really pretty as well. Then there are a couple of these AB coated earrings. So these are like crystal earrings or quartz earrings. They're brass. They're very arty, and I kind of like that about them. They're cool, really cool. Then over here, I have this amazing copper and enamel brooch. Yeah, which I do collect copper and enamel brooches. So this one I might keep. I'm not sure yet. It's in wonderful condition. What do y'all think that is? Is it a palette? Don't know, but I love it. Next to it are these amazing, these are natural stone as well. These beautiful gold tone. These are very long, and I love them. I love the shape. My camera is not focusing very well. I do apologize. There we go. That might be better. These are really pretty stone earrings as well. Gold tone, gorgeous. I love the faceting. These are very shiny in person. This is absolutely incredible. So I paid up for this because I absolutely had to. Look at this metal and enamel brooch. Is this not stunning? This is a West Germany piece. Look at the back. How did it survive in such beautiful condition? I don't know, but I love this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's just so pretty. Okay, then over here are just a couple more earrings. This is howlite and glass, like the amber there with those. These, I'm not sure what the stone is. Whoops. But these also have amber in them. I like those as well. Okay, I'm saving maybe the best piece of jewelry for last. I don't know. So this is a micro mosaic bracelet. And what I think happened here is I think somebody made a bracelet out of, you know, repurposed micro mosaic. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't researched this bracelet yet, but it is incredible. Those are glass. They feel like glass. And again, guys, I'm sorry. I just haven't had time to research anything. I was seeing if there was an Italy mark. You know there is somewhere. If this is from Italy and not repurposed. If any of you know, let me know, because it's the first time I've seen a micro mosaic bracelet like this. So, yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you can join us tomorrow again for the very first sale that Designated Crafter is doing. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. If I don't see you then, have a great Friday evening. And hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment. As always, take care, guys. Love ya.